you for being here.
Are you kidding? I'm excited to be here. It broke my heart when you lost your hearing. You know, and it seemed so unfair for someone who wanted to be a musician. But you became one anyway, out of sheer stubbornness.
Hey, you think you meant to say commitment and dedication, right?
Whatever you want to call it, okay? It impressed the hell out of me. And I think this is your reward. And I couldn't be happier for you.
Okay. Let's not get carried away, though, because it hasn't happened yet.
Well,
Hey, man.
You feeling better about things?
Yes, I'm feeling a lot better. And I'm also feeling very grateful. Thank you. Thank you so much for making all of this happen.
You keep thanking me, man, but I keep telling you that I was happy to help.
Is that engineer in here yet? Well, listen, I want to tell him one thing. I want him to turn the volume down real low at first, because the first sound you hear is going to be me screaming my fool head off.